Hello, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will teach you unexpected health benefits of baking soda. Baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, has a number of potential benefits beyond creating bagels and semi-realistic volcano eruptions. If today is your first time of coming to my channel, you're welcome, and to my returning subscribers, God bless you, you inspire me, you motivate me. Let's dive into today's topic. So, number one, use of baking soda. You can use baking soda to treat heartburn, also known as acid reflux. Baking soda is a natural antacid. It neutralizes stomach acid, providing relief from occasional acid reflux and stomach upset. Baking soda actually alleviates any form of heartburn and indigestion. Just mix 1 spoon of baking soda with water and consume it gently, and any kind of acid reflux, heartburn is gone. Number 2, use baking soda for oral hygiene. Baking soda whitens your teeth and makes your teeth to be shiny and bright. Just mix your toothpaste with baking soda, brush morning and evening, and you see that your teeth will be very bright and shiny. Another good benefit of baking soda suits your skin and release you from any kind of itching or any kind of insect bites. Just apply baking soda and water on a particular place that your skin is itching you. It suits you of any kind of insect bites and itchy skin. 4. Use baking soda to exercise better. It extends your peak during exercise, gives you more energy, and eliminates any form of body odor during exercise, because baking soda is a natural deodorizer. It eliminates odor during exercise. You can just dump the baking soda on your armpits and it keeps you going. No form of odor. You smell very fresh and nice. Did you know that baking soda relieves arthritis pain? Just drink water that is made of baking soda, or you can take baking soda supplements and it will relieve you from any kind of arthritis pain. You can also use baking soda to exfoliate dead cells on your skin. Baking soda unclogs pores. Just make a scrub of baking soda and apply it on your skin. It exfoliates your dead cells and unclogs pores, thereby making your skin to be very shiny, bright and clean. Did you know that baking soda can also help fight against stubborn infections and microorganisms? This happens by making the environment of the microorganism less acidic, which in turn allow the medicine that you're using to slow down the infection process, thereby making the drugs also work more effectively. Can you see so many other benefits of baking soda apart from creating baked goods? Do you know other health benefits of baking soda you would like us to know? Just leave the comment below and keep the conversation going. So you see that baking soda can relieve you of arthritis pain, body odor, and other health benefits. So make more good videos like this. Thank you for watching and God bless you.